This is how you make a simple 3-ingredient farm cheese. We're taking the cow milk right from the cow, so it's already 90-something degrees. We heat it up on a thick bottom pot. It heats up pretty quickly because it's already warm. We're gonna stir continuously so you don't scorch the bottom of the pot. And once it reaches 140 degrees, you're going to add your acid. We're using our own vinegar that we make ourselves, but you can use any vinegar or lemon juice. We're using 1/2 cup of acid per a gallon of milk. So this is 4 gallons of milk, so we're gonna use 2 cups of vinegar. We're gonna dump it in and stir continuously when it's at 140 degrees. And it should separate right away. You should start to see that it starts to make the cheese right before your eyes. And let it rest for a few minutes, and then you're going to strain it out with a cheesecloth in a strainer in your sink. And so we use this cheesecloth, dump it out. We actually save the whey so you can give it to the pigs, and the cheese will get caught in the cheesecloth. Then you add salt. We're doing 2 tablespoons of salt per a gallon of milk, and then mix the salt in, put it into your baskets, cover with a cloth, and let rest.